Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my dad's chicken afritada. This chicken afritada is my dad's recipe. My parents used to make it all the time when I was younger. My kids love it and I'm so excited to pass this recipe on to them. It's made with tender chicken and veggies simmered in a delicious tomato sauce. So let's get started. Begin by heating oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sautéing 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 diced onion, and 1 sliced bell pepper. Cook until slightly softened. This will take about 3 minutes. Both of my parents are really great cooks, and I grew up on Filipino cooking, and I hope to share more of those recipes on my channel. This chicken afritada has always been one of my favorites, and it's kind of like a Filipino chicken stew. Add about 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into thirds or fourths depending on how big they are. This is the part where I kind of differ from my dad. He uses a whole cut up chicken. He cuts up the chicken and removes all the skin, whereas I like to take shortcuts and use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Stir in 1/4 cup of fish sauce. This may seem like a lot at first, but it won't once I add in all the other ingredients. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Be sure to watch until the end to see my son Bradley's reaction to the taste test. Stir in 1 cup of water and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. The chicken thighs work really well with this recipe, especially after it's been simmering. It comes out so nice and tender. Add 2 carrots peeled and sliced into 1/2-inch pieces, and 1 potato peeled and cut into chunks. Give everything a stir and bring to a boil. Lower heat to medium-low, cover and let simmer for 20 minutes. Midway through, give it a stir, check seasonings and add salt to taste. Keep in mind that the fish sauce already contains a good amount of salt. After 20 minutes, stir in 1 cup of peas. If you're fond of peas, feel free to add more, but I'm the only one that likes peas in my family, so 1 cup it is. Cover and let simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken and veggies are all nice and tender. You gotta make sure to serve this over some white rice. This dish is so delicious and comforting. It really tastes like home to me, and I'm so happy my kids love it as well. Tell me you don't want to take a bite of this. Okay, ready? Cheers. Mommy. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Eat it. Mmm, yummy. Yummy? It's yummy. Yeah. Go ahead and check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.